2 6 12 and 2 7 14, 2 8 16 and 2 9 18, 2 10 20, 2 11 22 and 2 12 24. 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 3.
Why free?
Yo, Sudi, where you going with it now?
What? You're walking out, so come on, go down here.
Keisha, pass the pink blouse to me then, please. No, I know this one there. I other one.
Sure, I did. Let me know, Kula. But this have pink on it too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, try this up. This is so. Wait there, what time now? Keisha, at 12:36 you know. You taking next pill yet?
Yeah, me take the pill a long time. But look on the time. Me could have waited so long to take a pill then.
Oh.
But they make you feel awful.
Awful? But wait there. When I go to the pharmacist that tell me say it's after like a while, after you take the 2 pills then you're supposed to feel any sign.
No, you think I know me attack? No one know me attack. Me know say after a while when you take them pills we feel like nauseous, say like you want to sleep.
Oh.
But me just as say.
Okay. But the boy Sudi name, you know easy to you know.
Girl, they know. And after 4, me get a chance to sleep.
After 4?
Alright, now we still tired.
Yeah, so one night thing you want Sudi eat up and had your hat.
Girl, if you tell about it, I would have go back.
Sudi, me say 1 whole week I have a girl prepared for that. 1 week. But I managed to get up there for 1 week. What is Pauline?
Jaden, you know I go on, brother.
I'm not good at some soup for.
Ah, really? So Jaden, you know I go on down. So yo, mama say I got a ton for 1 week, brother. Just scrub some big and say, yo, I've ends for 1 week. I'm just scrub some girl, Keisha.
Keisha. Keisha, dog.
You are a romantic girl. Yo, mama say Jaden.
Yeah, me can't believe it. Keisha, they up there and call me.
No, put on a style thing, brother. Is that my name plan for it? You know them here there? Because I just get to say, mommy, I go for 1 week. You know, I'm just call back up a girl. But mommy, I go Friday again, so Friday Keisha come over. So I link you.
Girl, I wish we could have stayed a little longer, but we're going now. We'll catch up.
Yeah, good man. I'm gonna soon come back anyways.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, later. Yes, mommy? Yes, mommy? May I come? Yes, mommy?
Eat anything from mine?
No, mommy.
So you know it from mine. Me I want bologna sandwich, so you can eat it and drink it with the ensure when you're ready. Abby,
Yeah.
the fridge you want to clean out. When you're done, you clean out the fridge. The stove, you know, your stove.
Abby.
And
Abby.
look around. And me I want to show my around about. Use and dust on your furniture and things. And if your sister want any little thing, you can make sure you get something to eat and by share. Just pull something for your sister now. You know you should ask you.
So she could have waited till you done that, mommy.
Hello, just pull something for your sister. And remember when I tell us if you do, you go down the road and come back and spend I think 15 minutes. You hear me say?
Crystal, you can go feed some brother back for me, please.
One pay honey your food. You can go feed yourself.
From morning in the kitchen, I do enough things. Me I tidy up a room, girl. I'm just send her for the fab. And you behave so? Is that right, Crystal? Me go feed myself. Alright.
Yeah, drink Lucas, you do. You do everything when me ask you to do in the house?
Yes, mommy. I clean out the fridge, wipe down the stove, and I wipe down the furniture. Then do everything where you ask me to do already.
Where your sister there?
Me no know, you're supposed to tell someone in there, so.
Oh, call her for me.
Alright, mommy. And them something you up here are going with. Give me this.
No, Abby, give me my phone. No, Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that. Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that.
Relax yourself, child. Relax yourself. Relax. You're not strong on me. Crystal. But wait there. And them you see here you do?
Give me my phone, man. I'm a private business. Give me my phone.
Let us screenshot this. You see anyhow me ever beg you do something and you refuse to do it or you talk to me no wrong way, girl, me go show mommy this. Cause this man beg you go for fab. I hear how you talk to me and then something you up here so I do. Hey, all this. Anyways, mommy, I call you, so come on.
Here your mommy. I was going to say, run back. Come here, I want to talk to you. We go up by passport place, you know, so you finish your side paperwork, right? And by form, you see police record and school history. So when we want to make you know, you know, want you get in no trouble. You understand me? Try to avoid certain argument, even if I think you where you're right, and take for them, because you want you feel everything to go through and you go over stay with your father, and you understand me? And things. So just to try to no argument with nobody, just stay put. You are my daughter, I love you. and you're pretty young. Me no want you go end up in a certain situation. Right? Me know you're going to end up get pregnant. You know why you feel think about no boy. Focus on your schoolwork. You understand me? And you see, even you get the chance and go to America, a lot of opportunity over there. You understand me? You have to just know and just do the right. Right? Another time for no boy. How you look for around there, so? Nobody no around there. Me say, you know, if you have no boy in your head.
I'm not interested in no boy, no, me not have no boyfriend. Yeah, focus on my schoolwork. But me not gonna lie. Look like I will have one boyfriend because she borrow me from my ex-boy. Wagwan Abby, how you look so? You look so stressed out.
I said that show up on me. I know nothing too tough though. I'm just there and make you say life stress out. It's stressing when you're ready, yeah, girl. But then anything, I know nothing tough though, but where you go right away?
You know, so I done the shop, me go buy 2 pound of chicken and go run a boat and something. If I anything you can call me or text me, because my number not change.
Yeah, girl, me do that.
So look more me will see you.
Alright, girl.
Alright.
Abby! Abby! Abby!
Yeah.
Come here. Let me talk to you about, me know you feel say you come in age of consent now. Me no want Crystal a little girl. Me no want you draw Crystal in nothing way you do. You understand what I say?
I want me involve Crystal in your money.
Hello, no bother with the excitement. Only thing me I tell you, don't involve Crystal in your man going in. Tell me something. You know borrow a phone and a text man and I send picture. Go give man.
Me,
Send
mommy?
man. You me say nothing bother with the excitement. Take time. Me I talk to you. You know use our phone and text man. I send man picture, me not understand. No involve him in your man. Galang because remember, you come and feel so me can't tell her what you do now, you know. Because you're a big man now. But me I tell her this, don't bring her in a hit. You hear me I say to you? Hello? You hear what me say?
Yes, man.
Right.
So what a girl wicked man. No, sir. Crystal. Alright, me know me I go do. Know me I go do. Alright, Crystal. Say hi the phone for girl.
Because they come like you know what I feel if I want to feel. So I have to hide it.
No, girl, we're good. Girl, we're a sister, we cannot live so. So, I go delete the screenshot them. I'm gonna go by the show mommy. So, the secret safe with me. Oh, girls, me get some lashes. I know you love them, so here.
Oh, really, sis? Really? Thanks.
So, sis, who the boy there I talk to?
I'm a boyfriend.
Eh?
Yeah.
See, you ever seen it?
Yeah.
So, me don't know about that.
Girl, I never choose to tell you.
Oh. Anyways, I can invite him over because I like to meet my brother-in-law.
You mad girl? Me can't make you come. You must see my mama kill me.
No, girl, no worry about that. I got you covered. You're my sister, and I'm not going to make nothing happen to you. And which part Mama gone now, she not come back for now. So, just call him and make me meet him so you can see him and him just come quick, and then he can go back.
You sure, girl?
Yes, sister, you know so I got you back. Just text him and make him forward.
Aye.
Mommy, the JPS man, them coming up. And I said, them come fit cut off your light. I want me to tell them say I wrong place, them that them still a come. Them still a talk about I right place. Yeah, you have to come country. Come fast.
Crystal. 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 Come here.
You can't come in, go stand in on the laptop out there, so. I want your sister-in-law.
That's it.
Anyways, I'm so come here. I'm going to do something around here, so I'll come back here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Boom, get up.
I want to go. Abby! I want to go here, so.
Mommy, I'm glad you come catch her.
Who him? Who you be? What happened, so? Start talk now.
A Crystal boyfriend.
Crystal boy, who?
Crystal boyfriend.
No, me no be.
Introduce yourself, brother-in-law.
So, Crystal, you really out of yourself and carry man in a yard. Ain't after me talk to you other day, little girl about boyfriend or something, you're not ready for that yet. You pass your place. Young man, you catch me on a good day. Can you say for the one next day? Go on here, you come, you left here, you come in a piece, so I make you left here in a piece. Don't come back on my place. You, after me talk to you other day, I tell you about no man, you're not ready for that yet. You're still out of yourself and carry man coming here. Eh? You don't understand your little girl.
You see it now, mommy? She come and tell you one bag of something about have man and you believe in all these things. And see it there? You catch an innocent princess. You catch her. Anyways, explain yourself to mommy, me gone. Can't bother.
You know what? Me deal with you later. Give me your phone. Go in our house. You know, star, no matter how you talk to them and pick me these last days, they nah, you know, no sense what you tell them. You could have preached to them like John Paul. They not take no telling. Oh man. I'm just on JPS, man. Yeah. Abby!
Nursing school, no one going up. Yeah. Even though mommy don't have no money, I go try my best to get one nice job and sum up some money to go nursing school.
And that really still don't actually stress yourself about.
You mean when we did under the tree over the Saturday?
Yes, girl.
No, girl, a different thing with that thing, but there's a lot on my plate right now. But we're gonna get some water. Watch your girl. No water not there. I look how far we walk come up here so no water not there.
That highly so but look at like rain go fall.
Come on, girl.
Yes?
You know someone asked us something?
Where you want? From the other day, me vex with you, you know. But me not ready to deal with it, you know. But what you want?
And I have no all accoutrements.
No all what?
Accoutrements.
What you call accoutrements?
Like when you get cut, man. Like when your hand get cut.
Oh, you mean the first aid kit?
Yeah.
What you want to do?
Me have my school project for them.
Oh, see the in I cupboard, but underneath, down in I bottom base, you'll find in there.
Aye.
Yeah. Come here. Crystal, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. You hear me? I tell you? I don't like the video haga, you know. I don't like it. And you probably feel say me no love you. Me love you, me your mother. You understand me I say? So when me talk to you and make you know say you're not ready for no boy. You don't need that right now. You understand me? You don't want that, you're not ready for that. You only go mash it. You know, you see other day what you do, I try to make me feel, you know, I disrespect me feel so bad. If you know say you carry man come in here after me talk to you day in, day out, Crystal. You see that one time down? Mash you down. Wicked, no matter police that police that run. I tell you. So hear me I say, when me talk to you, when you listen what me I say, I feel your own good, and not hurt you, me not kill you.
Alright, me not do it again. But other day when the guy come here, because of Abby. Because Abby say want to see him and she my big sister. Yes. And she avoided all the company veranda. We never do nothing bad.
So that means to say other day when he called me and tell me about JPS. No, boss.
And as the boy come, same time you come.
This is what I say. When our sister, you don't feel like loving, you can't live. So I will talk to Abby. Because me see where all of this I come from. You know. I talk to her and you just make this stay right here. So no go no further with it. If anyhow, none of you do nothing more in here, you know, I'm going to mash you down. So the other one I go take heed. You hear me say? Go and go do your project. Why Abby said to me, sister. Jesus Christ. And not even one me have, you know, two and something. Father God, only you one know, only you alone know God when you go through. No, sir.
Get back everything can done. We probably say something. Oh, we find it.
Them still in there sleeping. And girl, Raina, ease up here now. We are going to run go before you come back down.
And that I want to do. So I'll be walking different with you now.
What you mean? What you talking about?
Cause I see what you up to so still and I choose so me just have to ask I want to you.
You see, if you see mommy come, just tell me. Girl, that's some things me I think about. Like, I think about my life, everything, how mommy treat me. Girl, me think mommy prefer Crystal over me. I mean, I not fear think them something there, no, cause that not good for me or whatever. But me just feel say she rather Crystal over me because she treat Crystal better than me. She give her princess treatment and one bag of something, girl. If something for do in her house, and me, and Crystal sit down there, not do nothing, and one bag of something. Girl, me no know, me just fed up. Girl, some reasoning I see mommy I give Crystal. She not give me them type of reasoning there. I road me have to go and hear when people talk certain things and know as a big girl. Me I tell her, mommy treat me different, girl.
My girl I really this year stress over you in her school and something.
Girl, go home before the rain come back. Better me never see nothing to her. That's why people don't keep friendly now. Abby. Abby. Yes, mommy. Me, I go kill her.
Look at girl, you me a talk to you know. I bet me tickling one take one stone and bust in head. And you say if you do what me tell you do in the house already.
We can't do nothing in my piece.
Are you me a talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you suck up your teeth, man? Who you suck up your teeth, man? Look at girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me have to tell you, don't ramp with me. You say you, go on, man, go on.
Can't bother no man. Only if me can't do so much. You know what? Me text my sister.
Kayla. Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in night town and come back. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make the place wet up. And close the pan the line. Right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
Girl, she gone, I can't come down. So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come? Where's you going now, girl? Cause you know how mommy she check your hand. But if we did want to come here when she there, I wear something about me and she load up her mouth and be the most way. Girl, don't worry about mommy, huh? Me say, before mommy go away, she go say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room. I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that kind anyway me feel for go me and go, you know. So you say I go and know sis, I pray for you. I not even know, cause right now me the years bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place who can go. Girl, cause see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she come back. No, so do me have one spot we could go hang out for one guest house. Me I tell her say up I guest house nice and girl, they have pool, bar, you know all of the little things there. That sound boring though, sis. But since you say guest house, all you do get some people and go over there and enjoy yourself. But you know? Yeah girl, you know see right do what you think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get somebody in because but sure if I told you I'm going to go boring, see who me can get to work.
You know, so I don't get the money now.
What you mean you don't get the money? So when you tell me say you don't get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something here, no man. Eh? You can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday the labor day, you know, so could the money send but I could get for college because holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Watcha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
I'm busy. You all at today, so tomorrow thing that, doesn't matter.
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the on my agenda tomorrow still. You know, so. Man, we can go on tomorrow. Man.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them man text back, you know. The man still one of them man say, if more I'll carry buckle and the rest of them text back right now. People they like them willing to come, girl. Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here is the guest house there? The guest house not that far, girl, like just one little walk, you know, far. Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know lame party we are going to keep. Yeah man, alright, can we do that, sis? So girl, they really think that Jay will come to you? Girl, once I invite Jay will come. And what's so special about Jay? Girl, you know how long me have a crush on him. And I just know her from a long time. So you can't do anything, you know. So, you know what? Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl. You know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see. Hey, you sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Cause you never get from me. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up. Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something. Me should come here and see you know. Because guess what? You choose, you know, come here so. So me don't know where you come here and do. Don't run and look for me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose to left here so.
I go and me did I go away. I Kayla, me carry something come later for me did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left a place. Kayla, you will see me, you will talk on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man? What kind of party we you not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you can't trick me in no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy. I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with prank with you, mommy. See, if when next
See
year,
phone here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video with you and make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never know like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What?
I thought me come become jump off true. I thought me come become jump off to Kayla and then no.
This yeah. No tell me no lie.
But me not tell you no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me a phone. Where your phone there? Give
Kayla,
me
what's not the phone there?
What ya? What ya? Your phone dead. Your phone just dead, mommy. Your phone dead.
You, sit down there, so. Me you call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all of my plan there where uno say uno make, it not happen because you mash up. And let me tell you something, you see, give me, as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idea about phone dead and all these things. Actually, me don't know about them phone here, you know. That's why I take me for papi show. But here what, uno brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Jesus. I don't know what we have to do. Girl?
You should come in. You should come in.
Yeah?
Yeah, Kayla here, you know. Now they don't say, you know, put out them gear and thing and they find have a look up like them. But here what now, no? More you pay attention to the style and thing and all them something because if I'm now, you don't want nothing go wrong with the business. You see me? But here I know most of them want you stay off of the phone.
But big brother.
No, listen to me. Stay out of the phone. You understand what I say? I mean, know you love phone, no, Kayla. We don't want nothing go wrong. So here I say, stay out of the phone. Alright?
Alright, big brother.
Come here, we take you away. You know me. Alright.
I said, brother, gone, so girl. It is on his phone. I'm just here, I tell you, say, you don't want it on the phone if you pay attention to install. And a phone, you sit down on a wine and feel phone.
So Kim, you mean to tell me, say, you the over here, so my business, and you have the icky them on your neck. I hide them from Kevin. You see, if you go and tell my brother, just remember, say, me have secret for you, and
girl,
you
that be
leak
nice.
them.
No, I'm not too knock, girl. Girl, you know what? I'm a business boy. Because I write me, I tell you, I talk about my icky them and mine. So you know what? Me leave you alone.
No, don't blame me. Boy, John, I remember talk to you about that. Remember I see a local vibes over there show you about the local cat me that deal with and
you
thing.
mean the same cat where they tell about overseas and everything? That's what they think.
Yeah, man. Brother, you know, say things are falling in place, blood. Things are come true, you know.
For real, man?
Yeah, man. John, no brother, that come true, blood.
Wow, you know, nice, brother.
And right now, I tell you, bro, God know. You see, two whole of things that go on in the country and our brother with deeper scamming and thing and kind of dirty slap music them and thing, brother. Right now, my sister me I think about no, bro. I don't want you to mess up in that.
Like a sister where they are style, man, we are your business.
Hello? Which part you there. Look how long me there here, so I wait for you. You have to hurry up, because remember, say, a thief, my brother supposed to look for me. Alright.
Right all the time I go in, brother, you have to careful. Because she had no business, she look good. So, boy, so a days and we reach up a stall more time. So, that's something where I go and like, I have my stall or something you see.
I don't really know what I'm seeing, but you know what kind of time we're living in the blood. Like right now, brother, I'm young with start in the blood, and right now, I just me and her alone, blood. You see me and her alone, and right now, then if you go breed right now, brother, I don't know how I'm take it.
You kind of understand what you're talking about, because you have to make it move and she left behind. And things might get out of hand, she get pregnant and so.
And that me say, man, right now everything I get into place in the blood and don't know.
Brother, what happened to motherfucker? I've never hear you talk, that's just you and her missing most of
Tell you the truth, no, brother, her mother and father dead in the brother. Story alone, brother, so I have her back and she have my back in the but she kinda you know young people them in the blood, she kinda rude a bit, you see me? So I have to guide her, bro, I have to watch her, because whole vibe out there in the day.
You want to call me, you know, and link me, can you hear?
You want to say phone, man. Phone and TikTok and sitting there, brother, you see me?
I don't understand them little young girl nowadays because, yo.
Right now, you know what I'm to? You know what I'm doing, you know? You know what I'm doing, brother. Yo, but thanks for your reason we're still there, brother.
Brother, where I want.
Thanks, man. You know what I'm doing. Watch out now, I come go back up and say, you know?
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah, I come go back up and say, brother. Tell him, man. Sure. You see how they sitting here, man. I will kill her if you style and gone now, man. I don't know talk about how will the girl get up and gone? How will the girl gone, man? Kayla!
Me love you. You want my brother to come? You have to go on, my brother to come. Hurry up.
But, watch out. So, Kayla, how we do it, person? John, I can't believe it, Star. You left the star and gone. We are running for? We are look for? Are you come and talk to me? Look around, I want run there. I want that matter of fact. What you do up here? Tell me now, what you do up here? What you do up here? Tell me, what you do up here?
I want a rat, Missy Put and me run him down.
One rat?
Yes, one big rat. Come on, look.
Oh, wait, take me feed you. Eh? You tell me say you left the stall, come up as a run rat? Girl, let me take a stop. Hear me, listen man, come go to my stall. Come go back to my stall right now. Come go back to my stall.
You still like give me money to buy the clothes and do my nails? So the friend I say I'm gonna sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say, alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah, man, thank you.
So Alicia, remember you know when man a spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. Say for that in depend, man a depend that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna call one girl in case if I not want no. Right now I'm gonna call her too.
Alright.
James, now come in, alright? James! The boy let us hear me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you used to the place, Carla. Yeah, pull a grill and come in. Like you used to the place.
DJ.
still got the party later? So you don't have nobody to give no money?
I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even for beg or borrow.
So that means that you not go then?
Well, that have to just wait and do.
Alright, I see. I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you come at the party.
Really, girl? You done did that for me? And that's why I'm here for rate here, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on and carry on. But me take on another level, me not see them at all.
She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she
But
bright.
you're easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You don't share your man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me? What kind of man if you share? I'm not share my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. Head up and lick your head smile. What kind of money I share? My man have money nor food for share. Me a brighty girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When girl and my man do things she do better than me and she take him from me, you're mad.
Then suppose your man out there with other woman, where I say about that? Where I say? You don't know, you know. Remember saying I'm gonna have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better have me don't know about him and me and share my man, you know, because me know that Dali was thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then go touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad. In can't do that. That I just them both man and woman I got mash up because me and beat the two of them. Me and chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
Then what if it's a case where me and please your man the right way and you not please him the right way?
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him, I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my hair, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills in the house, so I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything's there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one and do a man to her body.
Enough women out there share them man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, I go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish wash. And I have to go check my boyfriend for money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if anything later, I come call I'll check your back account.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember to collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
Kim, what you wanna say about your sister, girl?
My friend just left from right, so that's what
So girl, yeah, you're supposed to keep later, you know, go.
I could have asked her some money, but they say wait for go do my ear. I'll stop now, wait for right now. Yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother, yeah. Come right to kill sometime till she gone.
So your brother give you money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I mean, I take him things then.
Always a fair time.
there on another level, me no see them at all. None at all, me no see
But
them
see me
at all.
dying trial. You not hear me call you, Deidre? You in here listen to Satan music.
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie and me just use them, I can wash them up when we finish.
But Deidre, me need that to come in here and tell you, say if you wash them. We can't do so much something. It's better you go on back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn what this? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go watch up your plate then. Me not do it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
Carl, if you ever check my ear, I come back with a bag of nice, Carl, you know? Yeah, I'm not nobody know it, you know, I say. Business, you know? Yeah.
Girl, see girl I left there now.
Alright, now come go.
Man, what did I do right? I know. Hello? Carla? Yeah, man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine, say, Deidre, they on phone, I listen to music, and they plate them the wash? No, me no know how you do it. No, man, look like some me have to go send her back.
May I talk to her?
It not work out. Me can't take it stress. Me don't want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell Deidre I'm gonna talk to her.
No, but you should have grow her to help you out. No, I mean, I want to get in trouble too.
May I hear you? May I listen to everything, sister?
No, man. Me just say me I go help you out. Me ain't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her.
Alright? And may I come down there later, because I have a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah, man. Talk to her. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Me talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate, then I want you beg buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm not talking for conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You don't have no manners. Better I'm broke now. Take it from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to wipe care glass and all kind of other things. If you glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deidre. Go on, man. Alright, man. You can do better, Deidre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Akeem going up on the field with you. Yo, the hard right now thing hotting up. Yo, who that girl? She look good something. I'm set up to her. Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. All that. Sexiness. All that. Ugly girl. Tough girl. You hear man I call them and I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You go butterfoot girl. That's how you stay now. You go long man there compliment you and say, yeah, babe. As man just say something but that's how you hear. see all them girls that I'm gonna deal with them more time in my house.
Achoo, man.
Oh, sorry. What are no ways, man?
You want to watch that, man. You understand how that football?
Oh, the war again, the brother.
Cover my brother. You alright?
Oh, where are you?
You say your sister here stay. You can't get your sister one money for do her here. Nobody tell me the excuse. That every time I see her is an excuse.
Yeah, what? I don't money I know.
I don't want an excuse.
I don't money I know, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Not
time
there, no money.
I'm tired of that. No, I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
Yo, give me a son, man. This is right now, you there, man. Yo. Give me a son, what I'm on this? I'm tell you this, I'm about to come back to you know. I'm about to come back, you know. This bag of nice. What kind of yard this? What? This bag of excitement. What kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party, and come up and back on something.
Man. Just go on, man. I'm about to foolish, man. Most one puppy show yard is the real. You don't understand this, so I go on there. But if I come and make one bag of loud nice with the excitement down and something, man. How do you know, man? Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. So I say left man gate. The point if I come and see me, I say the left man gate. See all you know? You make people run in and people that do some bag of things, you know. It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
DJ, we again.
Mommy, dad. Yeah, well, mommy.
Alright?
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come back on the phone with your auntie, you know? Yeah. And you know the things that my shot tell me where you go on with it is not really like, I don't like it, you understand? And right now, me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell you to do around the house, do it. I'll sometimes don't even make she tell her to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace. I watch TV, she call me DJ.
Them not something the way you complain to me about. Them not something that not necessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing a plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something that you're a young lady? You understand? Right now, it's the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister wants to say and help do everything around the house. Help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah, I saw life going on. And you're a young lady. I want you to come out to somebody. I want you to come out to be somebody in her life. You're not going up there forever, you know. Yeah, you're not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We're not putting nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach you know and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand what I tell you? So you don't worry your head and and going like you want to disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're going to see that she was helping you out.
So girl, waiting. I can't ready, I got a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or
So,
anything.
make sure you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to cock up.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you're good to go. I just Deandra we have. Me a take service. Cause she
don't just Sheila.
I'm gonna make you all long, you know?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna wear this. Cause this short little shape and something.
I hope you wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so I wear a short. Cause I'm gonna do a long skirt and then something.
Yeah, girl, I just think a church wear.
I'm not gonna test so. No. This is gonna make your bottom look bigger.
Girl, not just I said that you know, cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, you know. I don't want to look flap.
You're not gonna look flat or fat, you're just gonna look simple in the shot.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay, you know me stay.
You're not look no way, girl.
No,
Honest, you know say
ready.
me talk truth, you know. This will make your bottom look big, girl. You're gonna look nice, not this make. But this nice too, you know. But this, I'm gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did you get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy short on the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I get everything I want, and me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come about you down here, sir? Where you come down here, sir? Come to now.
Auntie send me come buy like 2 eggs, but the shop locked.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie will wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she will send me.
I'll make you now talk to my sister. I'll make sure I allow you to go to the party, okay? You're having the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out, alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own a drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink for get drunk. Alright, so some money here, alright? I'll tell your auntie some soon come, alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alisa, what do you make a red shot? It's all good for me.
Alright, we are anything you want. Let's see that I look good anyway. See your phone over this side.
Hello? Alisa, I'm going to come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
Me don't know so she did it. You know how good time you want to spend with them before party, so me can go link you again.
Can I say that when I come back home? I think she will. She's still
Alright, me link you at party, yeah?
And I'm just long as I wish I do this for so long.
Alright people, yes, I know you don't need for longer, it needs for at least be 1 hour and a half. I don't know if you can get that, but we are going to make a deal. This is the deal we are going to make. So if you're not subscribed yet, you need to click the red button there and subscribe. You need to go in the comment section as well and motivate the actors and actresses them so they feel motivated to come again and put in the work. Because trust me, you know, it can be really intimidating and frustrating. But it will be worth it to them if they see in the comments where you guys love their efforts. Because coming from me alone and tell them say, oh, them are do good, them probably not going to believe me. But when I tell them, them will believe. You see me? I'm not asking them to send me no money. You understand? I'm not asking them to send me no equipment. Nothing at all. All I need you guys to do is like the video, comment, share it, send it to somebody. Say, oh, pre that video and tell me what you think. And say, yeah man, I like it. And say, oh, share it with somebody else and tell them the same thing too. You see me? And I can get, I want 2 hour video. Yeah, I want 2 hour video. So, yeah people, just do that for me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, but St. Thomas people. They up at the east side. Them have East Indian mango up there like crazy. All that store dog. You know down the west if one East Indian mango drop, be time if you reach the ground somebody take you up already. You see if it drop you so, they don't want it. You have to come straight off a tree, you see me? So yeah people, apart from that, for your entertainment, make sure so you like, comment, subscribe and share. Yeah. I shall soon the next blouse and skirt before I go away. So this channel is known to get short films, vlogs and all of that. But I'm going to put a link, as a matter of fact, the pinned comment. So there, check the comment section, the first comment, the one that is at the top. It will take you to the channel that will have full-length movie videos like this. You understand me? So subscribe to that channel. That is the channel where I upload the full-length thing them fun. If you uphold for no end of the bargain, which is liking the video, subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, share, comment, and motivate the actors and actresses them. That's all Lara asking for the people. That's all. I'm at St. Thomas by myself, by the way. Meet some new people, just a film with them, share my world with them, them a share for them world with me. And it's an amazing experience. I really like it. So yeah, just do that for me, and you can get videos upon videos upon videos upon videos upon videos. Lara not asking no money, Lara not asking no equipment, Lara not asking for stress out on herself. Everything where Lara asking for do, and you can do it right now, we just at top of the thing, you see me? Boom boom, share, Facebook all about, boom, like, boom, subscribe. You do good there, so I like how you act there, so. That's all. Yeah, entertainment is delivered. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to subscribe and go over that channel to go subscribe to send you up to 1,000 or whatever. I might post this over there as well, so you can run up the watch hours for me and probably get it monetized. But yeah, until then, Lara shall see you now. Go match up some East Indian mango, probably come back some West food. Little more.
DJ, you know, so I just come off of the phone with your auntie and she say, you know, go and go, your behavior is not good in the house. And you know, say,
action.
Let's say, cut back.
And action.
Alicia, may I ask you something? Have something to say? That you can cut back.
Action.
So Alicia, what is it back here? Well, I don't remember what would I say. So I said, Alicia, what if I want kids to it already?
Alright, yeah. And action. And action. And
ready. Oh, me want to start and something to look around and say?
so I said, well, I can say, well, so put it like that, I think it kind of makes sense. If the action.
I mean, we never understand what. So I'm mango interested in that.
So anyways, girl. she
And action.
So anyways, talk to her now, please.
I mean, we're not doing anything.
So anyways, girl, we are cooking. We can't do it. Can't just look at the door face now. We can't do it.
Action.
Kim, what you want to?
Should I say it now? One look away a while ago, enough to go.
Hold on, I want that.
Kim, what you want us?
What you want to sit on your side, though?
So girl, you know, you're supposed to keep up.
Yeah.
So you want to go? Yeah, girl, me I got a party, you know, but she just cursed.
Action.
Yeah. She never asked me the question. You don't ask her. Oh, so
you know, so your auntie just called me and the things that she said to me on the phone, you know, I mean, I really like to hear them something about you as you be my daughter, you hear me, sir? Yeah, you know, so,
Action.
Deidre, when me was for your age and then something there, when me was a little pitney, a cow, goat and them something there, me that fear look after, I milk the cow and I milk the goat and them something there and I carry them a bush and all of them something there. So you are complaining about washing up 2 little plate? 2 little plate? That is nothing compared to what me did have to do as a little pitney. You understand me? And now we don't have taxi for carrying no go to school and then something there. And miles we used to have to walk. Miles we used to have to walk before we reach our school. And some of we not have no shoes and then something there. You understand me? I tell you? Yeah. So don't make sure to call me and tell me about bend up your face. You know wash up my dishes and then something there. You hear me? That is not nice. Not time.
no.
Action. Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me do, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. If I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? I come soon.
Action.
That not so bad. That sound better than what my man deal with. About uno man full of sweet mouth talk. Action me deal with.
And action.
Uno man full of sweet talk, but the action me deal with. But anyways, one party I come up later. I don't know if I can give him a little money. And when I go and see him, I can put in a little more words and hear what you have to say.
Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me do, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. If I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? I come soon.